Mariner Plus subscribers 100% money back on hotels, up to 20,000 off on international flights and up to 50% off on domestic flights. Hurry, book now on makemytrip.com. Initial response. The appropriate alarm. 2. Muster personnel at designated stations. 3. Determine if anyone is missing, injured and if so their location. 4. If anyone has been killed. 5. Locate the area of the fire. 6. Contain and prevent the spread of fire. 7. Shut off ventilation and fuel, apply surface cooling or SAP. 8. Determine the extent of the fire. 9. Make risk assessment for rescue, fire parties. 10. Find out the type of fire and best method to control, extinguish it. 11. Deploy damage control team if appropriate. 12. Inform Coast Guard/CRS/DPA assure if appropriate. Assure if appropriate. If in port initial response, give the following information to shore. 1. Name and nationality of the ship. 2. Name and number of pier, berth or other positive identification of the ship's location. 3. A description of the situation of fire. 4. Whether injuries have been sustained on board. 5. Nature of cargo. On arrival of the fire brigade, in port. 1. An update on the situation. 2. What is burning. 3. Where the fire is. 4. A copy of fire wallet which includes cargo plan, fire, safety plan, ship plans, ship stability data. Note: during the fire, quick actions must be taken.